welcome to your English class. This is video number 57. Let's start our class with a small revision of our vowels. Yes, there are, how many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. Yes, you remember? A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat once again. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Yes? And today we are going to write A to Z. Okay? First we'll write A to Z. One small revision we are going to take in our writing section along with the sounds of the alphabet. Yes, वो भी आपको बीच में रिवाइज करना है ना, so that it will be helpful for your reading. Yes, good. So here we have taken vowel A sound words. Yes, it is completed in first term. Vowel E sound words are also completed. Yes, we have completed all these 2 sound words. 3-letter words हमने किया है. From interactive approach to English reader, हमने रीडिंग करना सीखा and उसको स्पेलिंग से लर्न करना भी सीखा. Yes, and various exercises also we have done. Okay, for second term we have done vowel I. अभी हमने recently complete किया है vowel I sound words. P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, W-I-G wig. Yes, ये सारे words हमने किए from page number 21, 22. Yes, so it is also completed now. Vowel I is completed and we have done many exercises for that vowel I words, those I words. Yes, now we are going to start a fresh vowel, that is vowel O. We are going to start with vowel O. Okay, so same procedure we are going to take, same pattern we are going to follow. We are going to take the words from interactive approach to English reader and we'll learn the combinations first, small combinations, and then we'll try to read the words. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll learn what is the sound of vowel O. What's the sound of vowel O? मैंने आपको सिखाया था जब हमने ABCD सीखा था, A, B, C, A, I, B, B, like that we were learning. तब मैंने आपको बताया था O says O. O says O. Okay? It makes the sound O. O का sound कैसे निकलता है? O. Clear? O. आपको O नहीं बोलेंगे, O. Short sound. ठीक है? We'll concentrate on short sound for vowel O. मैंने आपको बताया था vowels के 2 तरीके के sound होते हैं, एक long sound, एक short sound. Yes, we are going to concentrate on short sound only. So short sound is O. O. O says O. Clear? So let's start the combination. Our first combination is O says O, P says P, O, P, O, P. Okay? O. It says O. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? O. Okay? So first we'll write the combination O, P, O. Okay? Now I'll add the alphabet. मैंने आपको बताया था हम combination लिखते हैं, then we are going to add one alphabet here. That is M. M. I have written M. M says Ma. Ma, Op, Mo. Ma, Op, Mo. It is Mop. Mop मतलब पोछा, आने वाला पोछा हम करते हैं, पोछा करते हैं, उसको कहते हैं mop. Okay? Let's take the another word. Let's write the combination O, P, Op. O, P, O, and we are going to add one new alphabet to it. इस तरह से मैंने आपको रीडिंग सिखाई थी ना? Yes. So next alphabet I am writing is T. It is T. So I have added T here. So which word we have made here? T says T, O, P, O. T, O. Top. T, O. Top. Okay? So this becomes top. Let's take the another word. Let's write the combination here O, P, up. Okay? And we are going to add the alphabet. That is cop. C. We are going to add C here. So it becomes C says K and this is up. K, op, cop. K, op, cop. Okay? Cop means policeman. Okay? Cop. Okay? He catches thieves. Cop catches thieves. Okay? Cop. Let's revise once. Ma, op, mop. Ta, op, top. Ka, op, pop. Okay? Like this, आप OP combination लिखने के बाद you can make new words. आप कोई भी alphabet उसमें add करेंगे and you are going to try to read those words. ठीक है? कोई भी alphabet आप randomly. If there is no meaning also, then also you can have a practice. जैसे like na op na. Okay? La op lock. Da op dog. इस तरह से आप रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. It will help you in tongue twisting. ठीक है? इसको tongue twisting भी बोलते हैं. Is that clear? इसमें आपको फ्लुएंसी मिलती है रीडिंग करने के लिए. Okay? You can try this at home. Very easily you can do it. Okay? If you remember the sound of the alphabets. Okay? Yes? Let's take the another combination. So here the combination is O, T, ot. Okay? O says O, T says T. O, T, ot. Here, let's write the alphabet here. Sorry, let's write the combination first. O, T, ot. First we are going to write the combination. We'll learn the combination O, T, ot. Now we are going to add the alphabet for easy reading. Okay? I have added H. मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड किया H. I have added H. H says her. H says her. So it becomes her ought. Her ought hot. Her ought hot. ठीक है? Hot मतलब गरम. आप कप छूते हैं, गरम गरम चाय या दूध मम्मी कप में देती है. छूते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? It's hot. It's too hot for me. Right? I cannot drink a hot milk here. Okay? Like this. Yes. So it is hot. Okay? Now let's take the next combination. Let's write the combination O, T, ot. Okay? O, T, ot. Now let's write the alphabet. Add one alphabet to it. Let's write down C. C. C says K. C says K. So it becomes K, ot, cot. K, ot, cot. Okay? Cot मतलब चारपाई. आपके घर में है चारपाई. बेड को नहीं कहते हैं कॉट. चारपाई. ठीक है? आप पिक्चर में देखेंगे इंटरैक्टिव अप्रोच में भी बना हुआ पिक्चर. ठीक है? जो बुनाई करके बनाते हैं रस्सी से बांध के बनती है. That is called cot. Okay? K, ot, cot. Clear? Now like this we are going to add more alphabets to this combination O, T, ot. I have told you already. जिसका मीनिंग नहीं बने तब भी आप अल्फाबेट ऐड करके आप उस वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं. Clear? Like B, ot, bot. D, ot, dot. L, ot, lot. P, ot, pot. Like this. ठीक है? Now let's move to our reading section. We'll move to our interactive approach to English reader. हम ये दोनों combination के words. There are only 6 words I believe, and we are going to read those words. Okay. Let's start our reading from interactive approach to English reader part A. Okay, we are going to start with vowel O sound words. Yes, vowel O sound words. Okay, 3-letter words. From page number 25. We are going to start with page number 25 here. Okay, so let's check here. The first combination is OP, up. We are going to write it here. OP, up. Okay, up. O says O, P says P. Our first word is ma, op, mop, ma, op, mop. Okay. Next word ka, op, cop. Next t, op, top. Okay. Let's see. Mop, मैंने आपको बताया था हैंडल वाला पोछा इस तरह से होता है ना, उसे मॉप कहते हैं. कॉप, ही इज कॉप. टॉप, लट्टू, ल से लट्टू, इट इज कॉल्ड टॉप. इंग्लिश में हम कहते हैं टॉप. सो हियर ओनली 3 वर्ड्स आर देयर. तो हम एक वर्ड और लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है. ओ पी, ऑप. ओके. लेट्स राइट एच हियर. ह, तो इट बिकम्स ह, ऑप, हॉप. ह, ऑप, हॉप. हॉप का मतलब होता है कूदना, जंप करना. ठीक है. जैसे बनी हॉप करता है, रैबिट कैसे हॉप कर करके दौड़ता है. यस, दैट इज कॉल्ड हॉप. छोटे छोटे पैर जंप्स लेते हैं ना, उसे कहते हैं हम हॉप. हो, एच, ऑप, हॉप. ओके. विल राइट वन मोर वर्ड हियर. ओ पी, op. Okay, op, op, and we are going to add one alphabet, p, 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 op, p, op, pop, p, op, pop. Pop means ऐसे पॉप करके आउट आना. ठीक है. इस तरह से पॉप आउट आना. लाइक पॉपकॉर्न. मम्मी कैसे करती हैं? मम्मी पॉपकॉर्न के कॉर्न्स डालती हैं ना, बर्तन में डालती हैं, बटर डाल के, नमक डाल के, एंड वी क्लोज दैट. तो अंदर से आवाज आती है ना, पॉप 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 आवाज आती है. यस, पॉप, पॉप. सो दोज आर 5 वर्ड्स वी हैव डन टुडे फॉर OP combination. Let's revise. Mop, cop, top, hop, and pop. So let's move to our next combination, OT, ot. OT, ot. Our first word is k, ot, कॉट. मैंने आपको बताया था जिसमें रस्सी बंधी होती है जिस चारपाई पे, उसे हम कॉट कहते हैं. ओके. कॉट, क, ऑट, कॉट. नेक्स्ट इज ड, ऑट, डॉट. एक डॉट लगाना, डार्क डॉट. ओके. नेक्स्ट प, ऑट, पॉट, बर्तन. ठीक है. पॉट. क्लियर. सो ओनली 3 आर देयर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड वन more word here. O, T, ot. First we are going to write the combination O, T, ot. Okay. And we'll add one alphabet to it. H. H, ot, hot. H, ot, hot. Hot मतलब गरम. मैंने बताया था ना, गरम गरम. Yes. Okay. Next word, one more word we can write here. यहाँ लिखते हैं, कॉट के नीचे लिखेंगे. ठीक है. O, T, ot. We'll write OT, ot, and we are going to add N to it. So it becomes na, ot, not. Na, ot, not. Okay. Not. Not का मतलब नहीं. मैम बोलती है ना, do not, not. Yes, मैम not word use करती हैं. Do not write with blunt pencil. So this word is not. Not का मतलब नहीं. Okay. Let's revise. OT, ot. First word is hot, cot, dot, pot, and last one is not. Okay. So today's reading is this much, and we have added 2 extra words to both the combination. Okay. So that was all for our reading today. Yes. मैम ने 2 words और एक्स्ट्रा इसमें लिखवाया है because there were less words, so I have added 2 more words. ठीक है. आपको भी इस तरह से ऐड करके you can read your interactive approach to English reader and keep regular reading. ठीक है. आपको रीडिंग अपनी रेगुलर रखनी है. Clear? Don't stop your reading. Reading is very 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 important. Writing से पहले आपको reading आना चाहिए. Yes? Okay. Let's move to our writing section. So let's start our writing section. We are going to write down today's date on a fresh page, 26.10.21, and classwork. Our heading will be vowel O. Today we are going to write vowel O. Okay, complete the words. We are going to complete the words. पहले हम words बनाना सीखेंगे. Let's start. Number 1, H says her plus OT, ought. Okay, and we are going to add these words and we are going to complete this. जोड़ कर लिखो. Her, ought, hot. तीनों अल्फाबेट एक साथ मिला के लिखेंगे. So this becomes hot. Let's take the next one. C, O, T, ought equals to caught. Okay, C, O, T, caught. Number 3, H plus O, P, hop. So it becomes H, O, P, hop. Okay, let's take the next one. Not, N plus O, T. So you are going to complete the word here. Number 5, C, O, P, cop. You are going to complete the word here. Next is pop, P, O, P, pop. Complete the word. Number 7, T, O, P, top. Okay, so we are going to complete here. Number 8 is dot, D plus O, T, dot. Number 9, mop, M plus O, P, mop. Okay, so last number 10 is pot, P plus O, T, pot. So like this you are going to complete these words. I have given you 10 words and the same combination which we have learned today from our interactive approach to English reader. Yes, these are the same words so that you may get a nice practice. Let's start with another exercise, that is A to Z. We are going to write down the same date, 26.10.21, and here we are going to write classwork. Okay, that is A to Z. Okay, we are going to write it fast. एक रिविजन डालेंगे and we are going to learn the sounds as well. ठीक है, we are going to revise the sounds. This is A, B, B, C, K, D, D. Only 4 alphabets here. E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P. Okay, next Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, W, 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 X, Y, Z, Z. Okay, so here we have done one revision of your alphabets also, A to Z. Let's circle the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, so we have revised A to Z and the vowels also, and also their sounds. Okay, like this you are going to do it for today's work. Clear? So that was all for our writing section. We have done A to Z one page, yes, with their sounds. हमने साउंड के साथ वो अल्फाबेट्स को हमने लिखना एक प्रैक्टिस किया है, दोबारा से एक रिवाइज किया है, एंड वी हैव डन आवर vowel O words. Okay, so that was all for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Till then, be safe and stay at home.